I just made $4,000 this month from videos I never shot. No camera, no studio, no me in front of a lens. How? This face you're looking at right now, it's not real. It's AI. And by the end of this video, you'll have one too. It didn't set up a camera. It didn't do my hair. It didn't even change out of my pajamas. It typed a few sentences into a tool, walked away, and came back to finished videos ready to post. He thought it was fake too, until he tried it myself and realized the entire content creation industry is about to flip upside down. And the creators who figure this out in the next 6 months, they're gonna print money while everyone else is still setting up ring lights. So let me walk you through the exact system, step by step, no fluff. The tool I am using is called HeyGen. It's been around for a while, but they recently integrated Seedance 2.0, which is basically the GPT-4 movement for AI video. Before Seedance, AI avatars looked weird. Creepy smiles, dead eyes, robotic mouth movements. Your audience could spot it in 2 seconds. After Seedance, nobody can tell. I've posted 12 AI generated videos in the last 30 days. Total number of comments calling it out as AI, 0, not 1 person. So here's the plan for today. Part 1, clone yourself as an AI avatar the right way because most people mess this up. Part 2, turn one prompt into a full finished video. Part 3, the Seedance feature that lets you put yourself in movie level scenes. Stay till the end because part 3 is the money maker. Literally. Go to heygen.com, sign up with Google, wait 10 seconds, hit create an avatar, click clone a real person. 2 recording options pop up, webcam or phone. Use your phone, always. Your laptop webcam will wreck the quality of your avatar. Phone cameras are sharper, better dynamic range, better colors. This one decision alone will make your avatar look 10x more real. Click record via phone, scan the QR code, and your phone is now the camera. Now listen carefully. This next part is where 90% of people screw up their first attempt, including me. Rule number 1, boring lighting. Don't use your YouTube setup. No ring lights, no accent lights, no cinematic shadows. One soft light from a window on your face. That's it. The AI wants flat, even lighting, not dramatic. Rule number 2, plain background. Blank wall, neutral color. No bookshelf, no plants, no posters. Anything with depth or patterns confuses the AI. Rule number 3, solid colored shirt. No stripes, no logos, no patterns. Black, white, navy, gray, done. Rule number 4, phone at eye level. Not below your chin, not looking up your nose, dead straight eye level. Rule number 5, talk normal. Don't perform, don't slow down. Don't over enunciate, just talk like you're explaining something to a friend. A 15-second script appears on your phone. Read it naturally, upload it, done. Processing takes 2 to 3 hours. Don't refresh, go do something else. While it's processing, let's clone your voice. HeyGen gives 2 voice options. Either use the audio from your video or record a separate voice sample. Here's my honest take. Record both. Keep 2 versions in your account. The voice from your video recording sounds casual, conversational, natural. Use this for vlogs, reels, personal content. A separate voice recording sounds clean, polished, narrator style. Use this for ads, tutorials, course content, sponsored videos. I switch between both depending on what I'm making. Takes 10 seconds to swap. For the separate voice sample, quiet room, no AC noise, no fans. Read the script exactly as shown. Don't improvise. Don't add filler words. Clean take. Processing. Another 1 to 2 hours. By evening, your AI twin is fully built and ready to work. Now comes the fun part. Go to Video Agent. This is where HeyGen stops feeling like a tool and starts feeling like having a team. Most people use this wrong. They type something vague like make a video about fitness and get garbage. Here's the 3-part prompt formula that actually works. Every prompt needs 1. Setting. Where is your avatar? Office, rooftop, studio. 2. Intent. What are they doing? Teaching, reviewing, pitching? 3. Vibe. What's the mood? Casual, corporate, high energy? Let me show you a real example I used this week. Go to Avatars, Avatar Shots. This is where Seedance 2.0 kicks in. And this is the feature that's going to change sponsorship economics for creators forever. Here's why. With this feature, you can drop yourself into literally any scene you can describe, any location, any setting, any situation. 3 real examples I generated this month. Example 1. Avatar walking through a modern New York office, talking to the camera while waving at colleagues. Cinematic handheld tracking shot. Posted it as part of a productivity video. Viewers thought I rented a co-working space. Example 2. Avatar sitting in a rooftop cafe in Paris at sunset. Casual travel vlog energy, light wind. Never been to Paris. Video performed better than my actual travel content. Example 3. Avatar driving a convertible down Pacific Coast Highway at golden hour. Music video style. Sunglasses on. Used it for a sponsored segment. The sponsor paid $2,800. I didn't leave my apartment. That's where the $4,000 came from, by the way. Brands pay premium for lifestyle content, and now I can generate lifestyle content without the lifestyle. Settings that actually matter, enhance on, always. It beefs up your prompt automatically. Resolution, 1080p. The 720p looks soft. Duration, 10. 13 seconds, the sweet spot. Shorter feels rushed, longer looks weird. Landscape format for YouTube. Vertical for Reels, Shorts. Will every shot be perfect? No. Sometimes hands look off, sometimes physics glitch, sometimes the lighting shifts mid-shot. But for social media content where viewers watch for 3 seconds and scroll, it's more than good enough, and it's only getting better every month. Let me break down the $4,000 so you know this isn't theoretical. Breakdown: $2,800 from one sponsored video using avatar shots, the convertible scene. $680 from YouTube AdSense across 3 AI generated videos. $520 from an affiliate campaign I ran using a 4-part reel series. Total time spent creating this content? Maybe 8 hours across the entire month, mostly writing prompts and reviewing outputs. Compare that to when I was filming everything myself. 25 hours a week, every week, just to make half this money. Here's the real shift happening. Creators who adopt AI tools aren't replacing their authentic content. They are scaling their output. I still do live streams. I still shoot authentic vlogs with my camera. But for educational content, explainers, sponsored segments, and product reviews, AI handles it. My workflow now: 70% AI generated content, scaled quantity. 30% real camera footage, authentic connection. That ratio is the cheat code. Don't go 100%. AI, your audience will eventually notice the lack of human energy. Don't go 100% real, you'll burn out and your output will stay small. Mix both, scale output, keep authenticity where it matters. Look, I'm not here to sell you a dream. HeyGen isn't magic. It won't replace effort. It won't give you ideas. It won't build your audience for you. But if you already have ideas, an audience, or a business that needs content, this tool gives you leverage. The kind of leverage that used to require a team of 5 people and a $50,000 studio. Link to HeyGen is in the description. First few signups through my link get bonus credits. So jump on that while it's live. If this video gave you even one usable idea, hit like. It's free, it takes half a second, and it genuinely helps this channel reach other creators who need this. Subscribe if you want more real breakdowns like this. No hype, no fluff, no BS. Just what actually works in 2026. And drop a comment with one thing. What's the first video you'd create with your AI clone? Movie scene, travel blog, product review? I read every single one. My name is Manish. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.